Hi guys, this is Lola here, Lola Joseph. You're welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber to my channel, my name is Lola Joseph. I'm a UK blogger, and you're welcome to the Lola Joseph gang. And if you're just a regular viewer and you've not subscribed yet, please do not forget to subscribe before you leave. And if you're just a new viewer, not only just a regular viewer, just a new viewer, please do not forget to subscribe before you leave. And you're welcome into the Lola Joseph gang. Be an official Lola Joseph gang, if you know what I mean. All right, today is about the top 6 best sneakers by Nike, and I'm sure we all know Nike brand. Is it Nike or Nike? I know it as Nike, so I'm not sure how you grew up to know Nike brand. Anyway, so I know it. I know the brand to be called Nike, and that's what I'm gonna stick to on this channel. So Nike brand is an American brand, as we all know, and they've been in existence since 1964. So they're about 57 years old, and they're one of the good stable brand that you can actually trust for your sportwear and for your athletic footwear as well. So that is the reason why we're visiting Nike today. So I went to their website. Their website is easy to navigate, and their prices are also very realistic and affordable as well. So I managed to pick one of their new 6 of their new trainers, sneakers. I mean, we all know sneakers and trainers to be the same thing, by the way. I'm sure sometimes, because I've been rambling it around my head, what's the difference between sneakers and trainers? But apparently I found out that they are the same. They're both sportswear. The Americans call it sneakers, while the British call it trainers. So I'm talking, if whenever you hear me say trainers or sneakers, I mean the same thing. Anyway, so I visited their newly released sneakers, and they're so gorgeous. I picked about 6 of them that I believe that they are must have for every autumn winter wardrobe. And should you be interested or looking for any new sneakers in your wardrobe, I believe you've come to the right channel, and I'll be able to help you in making the right choice this autumn winter season. So the new season is crawling in now, right upon us, and well, also the first thing that usually comes to mind when it comes to keeping warm in the new autumn winter season is usually boots. But don't forget that sneakers are also very much appropriate for autumn winter season, and it's not limited. Sneakers are not limited to autumn winter season as well. You can actually wear them in summer season as well, spring summer season. So that's the beautiful and the versatility in having trainers and sneakers in your wardrobe. I mean, we all know that sneakers and trainers, they are meant for sport activities, for running, for being in gym and all those kind of things. And we love them for the what's it called? Their ability to be able to keep us comfortable, or keep us stable while we're running, or keep us ability to grip the floor while we're lifting weight, and all those kind of classic characteristics that we look for in our sneakers. So definitely those are one of the things that we're going to be looking into this in today's video. And when it comes to styling sneakers, it's very easy. Nowadays, sneakers go with everything. So it's not only limited to sport activities. You can also wear them as part of your fashion style looks. We've seen, is it Justin Timberlake, who actually came up with the sneakers, a perfect looking white sneakers with suit look. Very gorgeous. You can also pair your sneakers with your favorite dresses, from silk dresses to easy summer dresses, even into your knitwear. Along with your knitwear, it can be paired with your favorite knitwear. It can be paired with your favorite blazers. It can be paired with your shorts, with your denim trousers, with anything. And they are like every wardrobe, every season wardrobe classic. Sneakers are classics, and when you know me on my channel, I talk more about classics because I believe in investing in classic items that can actually last you from seasons to season, and can even be passed on to generations as well. That's how I love classic on my channel. So I'm sure if you're watching this video, I'm sure you're part of the gang as well. And I'm not limited. It's not like I'm limited to classic items as well. I'm also into trending and trendy fashion staples as well, or items, shall I call it. But when it comes to buying and managing your finances, I believe that having a good classic fashion staples are always the first place to stop, and then you can then incorporate trending items just in case they go out of fashion, because that's the reason why we're opting for classic. Trending items easily go out of fashion, and classic items I have a strong staying power. So I hope I didn't over explain myself. It's as if I'm about to burst out of my mind right now, but I'm sure we all grasp what I'm trying to say. Anyway, so do not let me waste our time. Today's video is a very short video. Let me just move on straight to the top 6 best sneakers that we should shop this autumn winter season and add to our autumn winter season wardrobe. So 6 best sneakers by Nike. So for the first best sneakers, which is one of their new in their collection of recent, and it's called Nike Renew Run 2. I love the sneakers. It's very, very gorgeous. It's women's running shoes, as they say, and it also has a color of like a dark burgundy. It's called, I think according to their description, they said dark beetroot, black gypsy rose, and dark pony. So that is the beauty of these sneakers. It's very, very much appropriate for the autumn winter season, the color hue, so you can't go wrong with it if you have it in your collection. I love the classic design. I love the Nike logo on it. It's also gorgeous, and I love the heel as well. It's very, very, very gorgeous. The sneakers is very ventilated and very roomy with plush support. The rubber outsole provides traction where you need it. So that's the beautiful thing about these sneakers. You can't go wrong with this one. It's one of my favorite design, one of my favorite style, and I believe that if you add it to your wardrobe, either for sports reason or even for just for fashion and style reason, you can't go wrong with it. It has this beautiful both platform and a very, very flat edge around it. I love the flatness in the tip, and I love the flatness at the back, and then the platform in the middle will just give you that sort of balance when you're walking. So if you know what I mean. So it's definitely a must-have in any autumn winter wardrobe. And it's not going to be limited to autumn winter wardrobe. You can also wear it in your summer season as well. That's the beauty of investing in a very good sneakers. And if you choose the one by Nike, you can't go wrong. Nike is one of the best on the market right now. So the second best sneakers by Nike is called Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 38. Did I pronounce it right? Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 38. Please, if you're interested in any of these sneakers, I'm going to be linking them in the description box below. Just click the link and you'll be able to find them there, and you can see all the descriptions and choose whether you like it or not. I'm sure you won't go wrong with it. Nike is one of the best. So this beautiful Zoom Pegasus 38 is actually as a color of black, thunder blue, Asian slate, metallic gold coin, and it has spring, and the spring with step, snug, and secure fit. So the spring while you're working with a snug and secure fit. That's the beauty. That's the beauty of these sneakers. And what more? It has a foam. It has a foam in the tongue, which provides a very comfortable and very soft feel. That's the beauty about these sneakers. And I believe that if you have it in your collection this autumn winter season, you won't go wrong with it. It's black with a little bit of gold details around it, which makes me love it even more. I love my gold, and I'll always look for ways to incorporate it in any of my style look. I love the sole. The sole also is like a boat platform and a little bit of flatness in the front, in the tip, and the flatness at the back as well, but not as flat as the first one. I think the first one, which is what's it called, the Renew Run 2, not as flat as that one, but also very, very edgy. That kind of boat-like kind of design. I love it. I love it's a classic design, so you can't go wrong with it, and it's one of the new in right now. So please, you can't go wrong with it if you have them in your rotation this autumn winter season. So the third best that I believe it's that's newly released by Nike. It's called Nike React Escape Run. I love this one. It has a color of dark smoke gray along with black with Asian slate with metallic gold coin. They are also for running. They are also running shoes, and they have a mesh throughout the upper area, which helps to enhance ventilation. And a pull tab. It has a pull tab. It has a pull tab at the top for easy on and off, like easy to sleep in and sleep out of it. So that's one of the reason why this is one of the best on the market right now. It's also in black as well, with a little bit of a very small Nike logo. If you're that kind of person that like to hide your logo, you don't like to display your logo, this would be a perfect fit. And it's in black, and it can fit for many outfits. It can fit many outfits just because it's in black, and it can fit for the gym as well, just because of the color hue. So it makes it very appropriate for the autumn winter season. The same platform kind of heel, kind of sole or heel, can I call it? And I love the distribution of this of the design of this one, also in a boat like kind of design, but a little bit chunkier in the front and in the back compared to the first two that I just showed you. So we love the escape run. The React escape run is gorgeous. You can't go wrong with it as well. The fourth best sneakers by Nike is called Nike Metacon 7. So this one has a color hue of light bone, platinum tint. It has a submit white, and it has a dark smoke gray. So what else? It has a handstand clip at the heel, which minimizes drag during wall exercises. So that's the beauty about these beautiful sneakers. You can't go wrong with it as well. I believe that it's one of the best on the market, and you can't go wrong with it if you have it in your collection. I love the beautiful rubber kind of grip it has in the middle of the trainers, and I love the color mixture as well. Hint of colors. It has a hint of orange, a little bit hint of aqua, and a little bit of gray as well. And I love the gray Nike logo on top of it. If you like to display your logo, this one is the best one for you. And if you like a hint of colors in your sneakers, this definitely will be the best for you. It's very versatile. You can wear it as part of your style looks, or you can wear it while exercising. And this one has the ability to grip the wall to grip the floor, or like a very strong traction when you're doing wall exercising. So wall exercises, apology. So I would definitely recommend the Metcon 7 to you, should you be interested in buying them. So the next best sneakers by Nike is called Nike Air Max Impact 3, and it has a color hue of white and black. And I just believe that a white and black in your sneakers collection is also a classic, and it's also a must-have as well. So if you do not want to invest in the black, you can invest in the black and white, which will give you the best of both worlds. So you can't go wrong with it. What is it about the beauty? It has a durable traction with no sole overlays, which makes it very, very, very perfect for our collection this autumn winter season. I love the design. The design is very, very close to like a mannish kind of design, if you know what I mean. So but it's a female sneakers. I love the black detail around it. The detailing just makes it very, very modern, very, very classic, and very chic as well. So I love the high top, and I love the way the heel is also designed as well. Gives you a very, very perfect balance. This you can style with your favorite denim trousers, with your favorite any of your favorite trousers. They go well with this design, goes well with any trousers. But don't be limited to it. Nowadays we wear this kind of design with dresses. We've seen it during fashion week, street styles and so on. So don't be dismayed by what I'm telling you. You can pair it with anything. But if I'm going to wear it or give you my style tips, I'll say wear this one with your favorite trousers, and wear the boat-like one, which is I think the boat-like design, which is the first burgundy one. You can pair it with your favorite suit look, short suit look, trouser suit look, blazers, along with your unitards and all those kind of style looks. So it's definitely a must-have. You can't go wrong with it. So the final best of Nike sneakers, which I'll definitely recommend to you this autumn winter season, is the one called Nike Cut Vision Alter. So I love this one. It comes in white. It's all white and white upon white design. It has a traditional lacing with heel pull tab, and is designed to style and comfort. So I love this one just because of the way it has a little bit of platform, speaks of something very modern of this modern time, but yet very, very, very classic in look. So you can style this one. This one would be very much perfect for your suit looks, for your dresses, for most of your style style looks, this kind of design are kind of perfect for it. But don't be limited to what I'm saying. Nowadays, every kind of design of trainers and sneakers are perfect for any style looks, and it's just a matter of your own choice, of your own personal choice. But if I'm going to give you my own personal style tips, I'll wear something like this with my favorite coats, favorite knitwear, favorite suitwear, and also and so on. So I'll definitely recommend it to you. It's very chic. It's a classic white shade. If you prefer to have your sneakers in all white, this is one of the best on the market, and I'll definitely recommend it to you. So this is the end of today's video. I hope I didn't take too much of your time. It's meant to be a very short video, something just to help you to make your choices when you're trying to shop for your sneakers this autumn winter season. And if this video is able to help you, please give it a thumbs up. Please leave a comment, leave your hashtag Lola Joseph, or just leave me a heart emoji, just to know that I was able to carry it to the end of today's video. Thank you guys again for coming to my video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.